Hey, nice to see you again. Welcome to a new CrocFIX video tutorial. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and if you have such a phone and if you forgot your screen lock, if you forgot your PIN, your password or your drawing lines, so the pattern, then you can remove this with this video. I will show you how to do it. So I would like to say that I put a lot of effort and a lot of time in this video, and if I can save you some money and help you with this video, I would really appreciate if you support my channel and make a donation. The donation link is in my video description and in my about page. Okay, so what you need to do is following. You need the phone, and then we will need, don't forget the cable. If you don't have the cable, it won't work. So, cable, phone. The cable needs to be connected to a computer or laptop or maybe another phone or tablet or something else, but it can't be connected to a charger. Alright? This is for a basic signal which needs to be here to come into the recovery mode. So, you put the cable in, and then we will start. So the phone is turned on, we can't turn it off. So you will need to press all three buttons here. So this button is actually one button, but you can press it with volume up and volume down. It has two functions, depends where you press it. And here is the power button. So we are going to firstly turn on the screen and then press all three buttons here and hold them until the phone restarts, and then release the volume down button. We are still waiting, so the phone restarted. We just keep holding now the volume up button and the power button, and keep holding this until you come into the recovery menu. This can take a couple of seconds, so don't release anything. Still holding while you see the Samsung screen here. Alright, that's it. Now we came into the recovery menu. We can unplug the cable. So this procedure is the only way, and you could also use Odin flash tool to remove it. But keep in mind, you will need your Google account, which was associated with this phone, and the password. Otherwise you can't unlock the phone. After this procedure, the phone will be like new. When you start it, it will ask you that the phone was resetted and that you need to enter your PIN again or something, but you can click there, use my Google account instead, and then you just type in your Gmail and password, and that's it. Your phone will work and the password will be erased. So once you are here in the recovery menu, you can scroll down with the side buttons, and you need to go down here where you see wipe data factory reset, and then you confirm with the power button, and you go down again factory data reset and confirm. After this procedure, everything on the phone will be lost and erased. If you had a backup on the cloud, you can get it back, but otherwise from the phone everything is erased. Okay, we have confirmed. You see, wiping data completed. And that's it. Now you just click on Reboot System Now. And now you just wait. The phone will boot up and it will be like new. You can use it again. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you have any questions, if you want to say thank you. And as I said, I would really appreciate if you can make a donation. This will support my channel and I can make more videos. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.